In this video, I want to help you with the bay parking if you get it wrong. So say you've done the parking and you've went into a bay, but it didn't go into a bay. It's too much on the left or too much on the right. How do you correct it? So imagine this is your car and you want to reverse into a bay on the left. So you reversed and you came in, but you are on the bay too much on the right, which means you have to correct this to pass the test. So what do you do? How do you correct that? And the best way to do that is prepare the car to go forward. And because our car is too much on the right, we need to go forward towards left to get it right, because the gap is here too much. So we need to close this gap by going forward. And the way to do that is when you go forward, steer towards left 30 minutes. So imagine this is your steering. Do 30 minutes towards left because we are going left. And the reason we are going left is because the gap is on the left-hand side. We need to move our car towards left. And this is why we are steering towards left 30 minutes. Once you've done that, go forward until the car goes forward, closing the gap on the left. Now keep going forward until you close the gap on the left, and imagine the left line and go close to the left line of the bay, which is this one there. So imagine this one going forward, so go close to that line and stop. Once you go to this point, you stop. So what happened here is your front is towards left and the back of your car is still towards right, which means when you reach this point, stop and now take the wheel back where it was and do 30 minutes towards right. Okay, so before you did 30 minutes towards left, which means when you reach this point here, take the wheel back where it was, which is 30 minutes towards right, and then do another 30 minutes towards right to get the back straight. So once you've done that, go forward until the car is straight. Once the car is straight, take the wheel back 30 minutes, which is towards left, and then go back until you're in the bay, and that's done. Now this time imagine you want to go forward towards right. So you went forward towards right and your car went in the bay, but it's too much on the left, which means you have to go out and correct this to be in the bay. Now because your gap is too much on the right, you have to go backwards towards right and then go straight and then go forward to get the car in the bay. So prepare the car into reverse gear, look around if it's safe, and as you go back, steer towards right 30 minutes. Because you need to close the gap on the right, you steer towards right 30 minutes. Then go back until you close the gap, which is, imagine this line, and you go close to that line. Once you reach this point, you stop. Once you reach this point, take the wheel back where it was, and then do 30 minutes towards left. And then keep going backwards until the car is straight. Once the car is straight, get the wheel straight. So then you take the wheel back 30 minutes towards right to get the wheel straight. And then go forward into the bay and then that's it. So just to give you an example of this technique, always remember to steer the way you want to close the gap. So imagine this is your car, which is not in the bay, and the gap is too much on the right, which means you have to close the gap on the right side. So whether you're going forward or backwards, the way you need to move the car, that's the way you steer. So whether you are reversing or you're going forward, if the gap is on the right, you steer right. If the gap is on the left, you steer left. And how much do you steer? And I always say steer 30 minutes. So in this case, the gap is on the right, 30 minutes towards right, and go forward until close to this line, and then take the wheel back and do 30 minutes towards left, and then go forward until the car is straight, and then take the wheel back and get the wheel straight, which is 30 minutes towards right, and then straight back or reverse back into the bay. So it's 30 minutes towards right, and this point take the wheel back and do 30 minutes towards left, go forward until the car is straight and get the wheel straight, which is 30 minutes towards right, and then just reverse back. I hope this explains. Now here we are reversing into a bay on the left hand side. So we keep reversing until the point where we need to steer. Here we will do full left lock, hoping the car will go into a bay. We keep reversing, keep looking all around to see if it's safe, and keep reversing until hopefully it will go into a bay. Keep going backwards, and then we will look at the side mirror and also open the door to see if he's in the bay, and it looks it's not in the bay, it's too much on the right, which means we need to go forward towards left. So get the car prepared, look around, including the blind spot, and then we will have to steer towards left 30 minutes. Once we've done that, we will go forward, the car will go towards left, closing the gap, keep going until it's enough, which is close to the left line on the bay. Once you reach that point, take the wheel back and do 30 minutes towards right. And then go forward until the car is straight. When the car is straight, take 30 minutes back towards left, which makes the car straight. Get the car prepared to go backwards, so reverse, look around, and look at the back and go backwards. Look on the side mirrors to see if it's safe and it's going in the bay. And keep going backwards and keep looking on the side mirrors to see if it's in the bay. We keep going backwards until the car is in the bay. So we keep going backwards, make sure it's safe all around. Now it looks it's in the bay. We put the handbrake on, side mirror, and open the door to confirm, and it is in the bay. This time we will be going forward into a bay on the right. So at this point we will do full right lock, hoping the car will go into a bay. Keep going forward and we will check, and it looks that we are not in the bay. It's too much on the left, which means we need to reverse towards right to get the car in the bay. So we prepared and we do 30 minutes towards right, and we reverse, and the car will go towards right, closing the gap close to the right line of the bay. Once we reach that point, we will take the wheel back and do 30 minutes towards left. And then we will Keep reversing until the car is straight. When the car is straight, take the wheel back towards right 30 minutes and then go forward until the car is in the bay. Once we go into the bay, handbrake on, side mirror, open the door, and it's in the bay. If you are learning and you need help on learning and passing the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course. The course gives everything a learner needs to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. It has everything a learner needs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read, and if you like it, you could always join the course. Okay, that's it for today, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.